In this video, I'm going to show you how to play your favorite PSP games on Android using the PPSSPP apps. Also, I'm going to be giving you guys the best settings that you can actually utilize to get the best performance and best graphics while using this app on your Android device. Now, simply go ahead and open your Play Store or your App Store and then search for PPSSPP. Now you are going to see two types. You are going to see this normal type, and also you are going to see this gold version. Now you can go ahead and download any one of your choice. Now this gold version is just more like you supporting the creators of the app by giving them a little token. So you can go ahead and install any one, just like I said. Now once you are done installing that, you are going to also need this app that is called Z Archiver. Now with the help of this app, you'll be able to extract your PSP game files. So make sure you install both of them on your Android device. Now once they are installed, go ahead and open your PSP emulator. Now your emulator is going to open up like this for the first time, and it's going to ask you to create a PSP folder. So go ahead and click on OK. Once you click on OK, it's going to tell you to choose which folder is going to use. As for me, I like using the document section, so I'm going to click on use this folder and then click on allow. Then I'll click on OK. Now as you can see, there's no game in here to play. That's because I've not extracted any of my game. So I'm going to be opening my Z Archiver app right now. Then all I have to do is to locate my games, like my PSP games. So I'm going to be locating my game. They are inside this download section. So you can see I have Need for Speed available, and I also have eFootball available. Now these are zip files and 7Z file. So I will have to extract this file. So to extract it, all I have to do is just tap on it and then click on extract here, and it's going to start extracting my ISO file. Now once it's done extracting this file, all I have to do is just hold down on the ISO file, like just hold on it. You're going to see some options. So click on cut and then go back to your main directory and then locate your PSP game file. If you remember, my file is in documents. You can see it's in here, PSP game, and then I'll click on this paste icon below. So as you can see, I've pasted my Need for Speed in here, so which means I'll be able to play it. So let me quickly go and do it for that other game that is inside this section, which is eFootball. So I'm going to be extracting this as well. So now my two game files are in here, so I will go ahead and reopen my emulator. Now as you can see, the game is not in here. That's because I've not actually shown my emulator where I'm keeping my game files. So I'm going to be clicking on browse, and then once I click on that, I'm going to show it where I'm storing my game file. So it's in documents, PSP games. So you can see it in here. So I'll just click on use this folder and I'll click on allow, and now you can see that the two games are now available to play. Now if you are finding any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey. And also towards the end of this video, I'm going to give you guys the best settings to use for your PPSSPP, so make sure to stick to the end of this video. Now let's give one game a try. Let's see how it's going to go. So I'm going to be trying this Need for Speed.
So it's down to business here. Well, Richard Goff's in the side today, and it's hard to argue that he is one of the finest centre-backs to be approved. Just listen. Triqueros.
Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 1,000 subscribers for a while now, and it have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can go ahead and also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.